Good day. It is June 28th, 2018. It's a great day. Thank you for coming by and viewing this YouTube video with us today. If you are a stock options trader or a stock index futures trader, you've come to the right place because that's our subject for today. Knowing when and where to get into a position in options or futures, and knowing when to exit the stock options or stock index futures position. We have been talking about, over the last several recordings, the line of least resistance as defined by our short-term Sentinels, and as we know, it is down, has been down for the last 9 days since the close of June 19th, Monday. We began shorting on Tuesday and have remained short since then. If you are a trader of stock options or stock futures, you need precise timing, and that's where and why we devised our very short-term Sentinels, the 10-minute version, which is even more sensitive than the short-term Sentinels. The very short-term Sentinels produced a sell signal back on June 20th, and that was a point at which we entered our short position on the stock index futures for the Standard & Poor's, the September futures. We shorted those at 27.54 when we got the very short-term Sentinels sell signal. We're short at 27.54. They're currently trading at 27.02. We're 52 points ahead on that position. Now, how do we know when to get out of that position? The answer is very simply when this very short-term Sentinel indicator, trend measure, which has been on downtrend since the 20th, goes to a buy signal. That's our exit point for shorts. It's close to doing that now. Could happen today or tomorrow. Or the market could surprise us and collapse from here and not give us an exit even yet. But we are very close to a buy signal, which would be our exit signal for this position. When we come out, whether that's today or tomorrow or next week sometime, we then book our profits and sit back in cash and wait. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for, as the short-term Sentinels or the line of least resistance remains down, we're waiting for the very short-term Sentinels to recycle and go all the way from a buy signal, which we're talking about as our exit point, all the way back to a new sell signal again. When we get that new sell signal again, that's when we buy more puts, or that's when we reshort the SPOO. So that's how it works. We use the very short-term Sentinels signals to enter, and then we use them to exit, both for put options, or if we were in an up market, for call options, and likewise for the stock index futures. That's all we wanted to talk about today. If you come by the website, we have a number of articles there that you'll find interesting, and they are free for the click of your mouse. And we have the limited time trial, of course, for just $9.95, where you can have 14 days to examine 7 Sentinels in some depth and get acquainted with who we are and what we do and see how it fits your particular program. So thank you very much for watching this video today, and good trading.